Kia Corporation has today revealed full images of the exterior and interior design of the new EV9, its first three-row electric flagship SUV. The bold and confident visual presence of the EV9 is inspired by Kia's opposites united design philosophy. EV9's signature digital tiger face gives this model a futuristic look and feel. At the rear of the vehicle, the simple, clean lines of the tailgate, which are elegantly detailed by the slim rear lights that mirror the design of those at the front, further reflect the EV9's strong and confident stance. Built on Kia's electric global modular platform, the EV9's long wheelbase, low beltline, and completely flat electric vehicle architecture have facilitated the creation of generous space for all occupants to connect and relax, with lounge-style comfort in all three rows of seats. In late March, Kia will reveal more details, so stay tuned and tell me in the comments how do you like the design of the new Kia EV9.